Hello and welcome to this wonderful class. My name is Shalene and I am a surface pattern designer and art teacher. And in this class I'm going to be teaching you how to make a cohesive pattern collection. Now, why should we have pattern collections? Pattern collections are really great for getting your work noticed. It shows that professionalism, it shows that you can understand about colour palettes and how to work together with different patterns that work as a whole story. You can use these pattern collections if you work on a print-on-demand site or if you're pitching to some clients. It's a really great way to get your work noticed. In my experience, it has worked for me and I'm sure it will work for you too. First, what you will learn in these classes is how to do hero prints, how to do secondary or coordinating patterns, and then blender patterns. What is needed for them, what makes them separate from each other. Then I will end up showing you how to present it to potential clients or for your portfolio websites. So I'm excited to share with you how to create a wonderful cohesive pattern collection. I hope you will enjoy it and I can't wait to see what you will achieve.